guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but today I am going to be showing you how I put this U-part wig on in literally 2 minutes. No gluing, no sewing, no nothing. I just clip it on my hair and at the end of the day I take it off. So yeah, if you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching. Also, a few announcements. One, if you don't know, we've been super busy on our podcast lately. Yes, we have a podcast called Bonnets and Brunch. We're on SoundCloud, we're on Stitcher, we're on iTunes. So yeah, definitely check that out because we're on episode 5 and that's really where a lot of our energy is going lately. That's why you're not seeing as much videos, but we're not giving up on YouTube. We're gonna keep uploading, but definitely check out Bonnets and Brunch. It's a podcast where we kind of just talk about things that you talk about at brunch with your girls. We drink, we have a good time. So definitely check out our podcast. I will have all the details down below. So first, I'm starting with my hair braided back in some cornrows, and I just left some hair out in the front to obviously cover the part. I don't know how to braid to the scalp. I had someone else do it, so don't ask me for a tutorial because I don't know. This is the unit I got from Addcolo hair. It is 14 inches, and as you can see, it's a middle part, but I specifically requested a side part, so I don't know what happened, but yeah, it's a middle part, but I'm gonna make it work. This is the inside of the wig. You can see the cap construction. There's 5 clips that I use, 3 specifically for the part area and then 2 in the back. And then there's some adjustable straps as well, so you can have a snug fit. Next, I'm just gonna pin my leave out the way so it's easier when I put my wig on. And here's just a better look at the cornrows. Like I said, there's nothing to it. I just braided it, well, I had them braided back and then I pinned the long pieces. So now I'm gonna be putting the wig on, and how I do it is I start by clipping the middle piece at the back of my hair first, and then I actually go in and try to put the wig on my head. That just makes it easier, and then after I get the wig on my head, that's when I start adjusting the clips in the front and in the back. So like I said, this is a middle part wig, so the clips aren't gonna be perfectly symmetrical because it's not supposed to be rocked like that, but it's okay. So I just, as you saw, clipped the front, and I think I'm about to go in and clip the back one. Yeah, I'm about to go in and clip the back one just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then there's the other clip, which ends up being actually by like the front of my head just because of how the clip placement is, because it's, like I said, it's not a side part wig. So then I just take my natural hair out and then just part it to mimic the actual part of the hair. It's nothing to it. I'm just getting my part together and making sure everything is nice and blended. So now I am gonna go in with a little bit of heat just to try to get my hair to lay down flat. But I don't do that every day, just I kind of sweat bad, so it does require just a bit of heat to get the hair to lay a little bit flatter. And that's pretty much all you have to do when it comes to actually, you know, putting the wig on your hair. The rest is just pretty much getting it to your liking, so blending things, you know, edge control, curling the hair. One thing about this hair is it is pretty thin. It's not that dense, so wearing it straight, it just looks very like bone straight. But I think wearing it in curls gives it a little more body, and I think it also looks a little bit more natural that way. Like, I am kind of getting into thin hair lately, not my real hair thin, but like when you get bundles, I'm kind of straying away from the super thick look. I think that when the hair is a little bit thinner, that it does look a little bit natural. But if you are somebody who loves the thick, voluminous hair, just be clear that, I mean, at least for me, I don't know if it was the length that I got, but the hair was a bit thin. So keep that in mind. I also have experience shedding with this hair. As you can see, I just got a little snag just then. But I mean, I think the hair is relatively cheap, so you kind of get what you pay for it. But I do like it, and I wear this wig almost every day. I think I'm going back and forth between these and my clip-ins. I'm trying to, you know, protect my hair a little bit more and not manipulate my real hair as much. But yeah, we're coming to the end. That's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I will see you guys for my next video.